Technological advancements over the past decade or so have produced both active and passive ways to create renewable energy. Employing one or more of the 8 systems outlined will be able to reduce your monthly energy bills. First is solar power. You can use the sun to generate electricity for your home through solar photovoltaic panels that are installed on your roof. These panels take the sun's rays and convert it into electricity. The panels can generate power during daylight hours, and it doesn't have to be sunny in order for them to work, although they do generate more power on sunnier days. And any excess power you don't use can be sold into the national electricity grid as part of the government's smart export guarantee. Generating your own clean electricity with solar panels gives you the power to improve your home's sustainability, one of the main advantages of solar energy. And solar panels can also help you reduce your reliance on the grid and even cut your electricity bills, can save £705 a year on average on your electricity bills. Second is solar heating. Solar energy can also be used to provide hot water and heating all year round. Solar heating systems use solar panels that can be fitted to your roof, mounted on a freestanding frame, or even hung from a wall. The power they generate heats up water that is stored in a hot water cylinder, approximately 5 square meters of space that receives direct sunlight for the main part of the day. If you want to use it to power your heating too, then you'll need larger panels, the size of which will be determined by the size of your home. Third is air source heat pumps. An air source heat pump is a renewable energy system that uses the heat from the outside air to provide you with heating and hot water. Heat pumps work in all temperatures and are capable of extracting heat from the air and heating your home in temperatures as low as -15 degrees. Air source heat pumps are a more sustainable heating option compared to traditional oil or gas heating, so can help make your home more energy efficient and reduce your carbon footprint. When operating, and can save up to £1,330 per year compared to old electric storage heaters, or up to £1,410 per year compared to an old gas boiler. From later this spring, the UK government is also offering grants of £5,000 towards the upfront cost of having a heat pump installed in your home. Fourth is wind energy. Smaller wind turbines are available for homes, either as a freestanding pole or installed on the building directly. They generate electricity by the wind turning the blades, which drives the internal turbine and creates power. Could save you around £340 a year on electricity bills, as well as earning about £235 per year in SEG payments. Fifth is biomass systems. Biomass heating systems burn organic materials, such as wood pellets, chips or logs, to provide heating and hot water. This is a lower carbon way of heating compared to fossil fuels like coal and oil, as the wood burned in these systems only emits as much carbon as the tree absorbed. It is estimated that a biomass system can save you up to £870 a year compared to an old electric heating system. And biomass plants can also provide a renewable energy source for businesses, helping them to reduce their carbon emissions. Sixth is hydroelectric systems. This renewable energy source uses water flowing downhill to generate electricity. There are many large-scale hydroelectric power plants in operation, but you can also get small-scale ones for your home. Seventh is solar heat pumps. Solar-powered water heaters are similar to PV solar panels, except that instead of producing electricity, they heat water. Solar water heaters use the sun to heat a reserve of water, which can then be pumped through your radiators or out your faucets and shower heads. This system is much cheaper than using gas or electricity to heat your water and is easier to install than solar panels. Eighth is tubular skylights. Although tubular skylights don't actually create electricity, they do produce free natural light for your home, which can slash your electric light bill. A tubular skylight, which is often called a sun tunnel, the metal tube runs between the dome on the roof and the diffuser mounted to the ceiling. The main advantages are that they are much quicker, easier and cheaper to install. There's no need to build a light shaft down from the roof, and tubular skylights come with either rigid or flexible tubes. The main downside of skylights is that they do not work at night. Although, some tubular skylight manufacturers do offer an optional light kit, which fits inside the tube for nighttime use. All of these renewable energy options can also be suitable for both your home and business.